Alright guys, I am here at my hotel in Miami. You guys, I just literally finished my day of travel and oh my gosh, this hotel is so freaking cute. Like, the room is on the smaller side and I will show you guys. I'm going to do a tour so you can see, but the hotel, it's only a year old and it's owned by Pharrell and another guy who I don't think people may know as well. His name's Dave Grootman and he owns like a bunch of different restaurants and stuff, but most of you guys probably know Pharrell because he sings the song Happy. So he created this hotel and it's only a year old, and when I saw it online I got it for such an amazing price because this is midweek and I am here for a work event, and I just have you guys propped up on the like wood headboard thing so I could just like chat with you about my travel day. And like traveling stresses me out so bad. I will tell you guys why. But also this is my travel outfit. This is the outfit I wear to travel now all the time. So these little crop tops, but it's not crop where it's like showing my stomach, so it's a tank top really. And I wear these high-waisted leggings from Amazon that I'm obsessed with. They're so soft. This is from Old Navy. I always wear a denim jacket because it's not like too cozy-ish. Like, I still look put together in this outfit, but I'm still so comfortable. So this is my go-to travel, and sneakers from Walmart, which it's about 7 o'clock. By the way, I don't think I said that. I'm very excited to be here. It was like so dreary at home in New York, so I came here and it's like summer. The palm trees are amazing, and this is actually my first time staying in, well, my second time staying at a hotel in like the city center of Miami. So since you guys will see this later on, I'll show you like the hotel and everything. I'm so excited. This is so fun. I feel like I'm on a little vacation, even though tomorrow I do have an event, but it's not till, I don't have to be there till 3:30, and I will take you guys to the event. I work for a yacht company, so I'm going to be like mingling and like chatting with people and also just making sure everything's going well at the event. By the way, event planning is so stressful. I do not like plan events for a living. It's just like we're having this one event, and yeah, so tomorrow that is that. Later on, so I kind of am trying to figure out what I want to do tonight. I have to definitely get some sort of dinner. I'm not gonna like go out and somewhere and like eat on my own. Probably just gonna order something. If I was like with Nick, then I would do that. And also my coworkers, like, they don't like live in Miami. Well, some of them do, but the girls that I work with, one of them isn't coming to the event and the other one, she's like not here till tomorrow. So it's just me hanging out, which is totally fun. Hashtag introvert. I'm totally fine with that. But yeah, let me show you guys the room. I'm gonna give you a tour. My flight was really good. I flew JetBlue, love JetBlue. Everything was very smooth. The only thing is I don't like the takeoff on flights. When I'm in the air, I'm fine, but it's just the takeoff makes me very anxious. And like I guess they call it the ascent, because when you go down it's the descent, but the ascent makes me anxious and it makes me like very nervous, and I feel like I'm gonna like literally throw up. Let me know if you guys are the same way, but I'm just like, oh my gosh, like I'm gonna throw up and everyone's gonna see me, and then I start panicking that I'm gonna throw up and then people are gonna see it, and then it's gonna be the worst day ever. So I just had to literally, like, I do such weird things. Like, I'll close my eyes, I'll start praying, I have to like hold, like, that's so weird, but I have to like hold my back, I'll have to like go like this, or like hold my necklace, or like go like this, or just anything to like kind of breathe. And then once I'm in the air, I'm okay. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to do this for 3 hours. But I watched a movie, I watched The Notebook, well, halfway through. Then it started getting a little saucy and I was like, I have to like turn this off, because it was like right when it was getting saucy, is like when the plane was landing. I'm like, okay, I have to turn this off. So then I got to Miami airport, and then I got to the hotel, and literally when you walk in, it like smells like coconuts. I'm gonna do a full hotel tour for you guys tomorrow because there's so many cute things here, and I want to wake up early and show you guys. There's the pool. Wait till you guys see the pool. It actually has a name. It's called Strawberry Moon. It is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, the whole hotel is. But let me show you guys the room. In the front, I wish I could zoom out more like my phone does, but here we are. So this is when you walk in, and there's this really cute mint mirror. So everything in this hotel is like vintagey themed, and you will see even more in the bathroom. So I took one of the towels down already. So this is really cute. It's like very I guess, what would you call this? Like 50s Art Deco, I guess is what you would call it. So here is, there's like all the gold fixtures. There's the golden royal throne, and then there's me. Hi. So here we have just really pretty fixtures. I love this mirror. And then wait till you guys see this vanity. It's like gold with this wicker basket kind of details. And then there's all the towels. You have the blow dryer, extra TP. And then, did I turn off the light in here? Yeah, there's the other light. So, hi guys. I actually love, and I've never seen this before, they have this full size, oh, I like hurt my leg before when I was bending down. We're off to a good start. So they actually have this hand and body cream, which is really nice because I did not bring body cream with me. I literally had no room left in my carry-on. So it says it's made in Italy too. So I guess this is the brand they partnered with, and it's really nice and moisturizing, Ortega, and I love that it's like on the wall. That's my perfume, my roll-on. Skylar, actually I'll show you guys what I brought. Skylar, whoop, Vanilla Sky, one of my favorites, great for travel. This is the shower. And then this, we also have that same brand, shower gel, shampoo and conditioner, or Tigia. And it has like that pink tile. And then it looks like there's this nice, oh, I've never seen this before. There's like a little carpet you could roll out so you don't slip, which I love this. Oh my gosh. Usually you have to use a towel. So I love the fixtures in here. And then this closes in case you want privacy. So there's the bathroom. Hopefully I'm giving you guys a good overview here. And then, oh, there's also a little pink shower curtain. So everything is very girly. So then also when you walk in, you see this cute little tote bag, which I don't think you're like allowed to take this. I'm gonna assume no. So it's just like decor. But that's so cute. I've never seen a tote bag in a hotel. How fun is that? And then you walk over here and you have this retro phone. It says tap for host. I love it. It's like a little faux rotary. So freaking cute. We have temperature controls, not exciting there. Okay, then this is the headboard, and I thought this was cool. I've also never seen anything like this before, that the headboard has storage. So these are complimentary, and I'll show you guys more on that in a second. Sorry, I'm out of breath. You know, travel days, you always get tired. This is another little storage compartment. So cute. Here's the bed. Love the linens, the headboard. Some of them are pink in other rooms. Mine's green. I moved the pillow. This is some really cool, funky artwork. Here is, you have some lamps over here, which, oh, there we go. I actually brought disinfectant wipes with me so I can disinfect stuff. I highly recommend you guys do the same. Okay, and then here is like another little storage area. So cute. That's my water I bought. I put my purse out, and then here's like a cute little robe, which is so cute. It says, what does that say? It's like a leopard robe. Want me? You can buy, excuse me, $75, but it is made in Italy. Fine linens. Yeah, so we're not gonna put that on, but it's cute for show. And then we have this little storage thing here, which of course I won't use, but it's just cute to look at. I just live out of a suitcase. The curtains are like really freaky, but interesting. Okay, and then there's no balcony in this room. Last time I came to Miami, I did have a really nice balcony, but I wasn't in South Beach. I was like higher up. Okay, and then I'm gonna show this to you guys. Here's my view. Okay, so you won't be able to see it now. It's literally just like nothing really. And then I got an ocean view room. Granted, I'm not like paying for this, but so it doesn't really matter. But they were reaching, you guys, with this ocean view, because this, you can barely see the ocean. I mean, it's like, I'm not complaining. I'm just saying, like, I was literally laughing to Nick. I'm like, ocean view, they were reaching with that. Okay, and then I want to show you guys another cute detail. Those are my shoes for tomorrow. This little basket, I never saw that either. And I also really like the wood headboard. I feel like that's, honestly, it's gonna sound weird, but like sanitary. I like that a lot. Here's another look at the bedroom. And then, oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. There's a mini fridge, okay? I'm gonna sit so I could show you guys. I hope the bed is comfy. Okay, so at first I was like, oh my gosh, it's like a skincare fridge, which I guess you could. There's Red Bull cold. This is so cute. I have never seen a mini fridge in a hotel. And actually, I'm gonna put my gouache on here, you guys, because this is a move right here. Like, I would totally put my skincare in here. This is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, you do have to snap it closed, but absolutely adorable. And you can also probably, I want to say, well, no, you can't really use that as a desk. Always disinfect your TV remotes with Lysol wipes. I bring a 10-pack that I got at Target. Okay, so then I'll back up. Here we have the TV. There's my stuff, my bag, laptop, wipes, my luggage, which I packed to the brim. This is just a carry-on. I am trying anytime I can to not check a bag, and it worked out really well this time. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys another thing. That's really the room. It's not really big, but it's super cute. So they have this little thing here. We have cotton balls. How cute is this? Makeup remover. Like, oh, there's ingredients. Alcohol free. This is so cute. I've never seen a hotel do this. We have more cotton balls. Genius. Q-tips. Whoop me. Genius Q-tips. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this. We have little earbuds and then more earbuds. Wow. So this is adorable. I have never seen these cute little things. I'm gonna close that back up. I did also disinfect around here, and I will do the same. I will disinfect the toilet. I know they probably do it too, but just to be safe, because I'm being a, what's the word? Like, I'm being a germaphobe. So that's the room, you guys. It's so cute. I'll show you again tomorrow when it's brighter out, because now it's dark out because it's nighttime. But yeah. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys too. I am so happy because usually I bring a smaller bag with me because I didn't know you can bring anything bigger for your personal item. But you guys, this is a bag I actually got from, what's the brand? Heritage by Mindy sent this to me, and I'm like, when am I going to use this? It looks like a giant ice bag, but it's just this really awesome travel bag with a long strap. Like, I absolutely love this. And then these little handles, which I used all day today. It's the perfect size. There's compartments. Like, I have everything in here. I put my toiletries in here. I put some tech stuff. I have like all little, this is stuff I travel with. Stevia, flossers. What else do I put in here? Aspirin in case I need it. I fit so much in here. Like, look how big this is. I bring my own protein bars. There's that. And then here's my selfie ring light, which I need to get batteries for. Yeah, and it was just so nice to have room. I put my laptop in here. Amazing. So from now on, and no one even questioned it, from now on I will be traveling with a big bag. And then now what I'm gonna do is I just brought with me, in the carry-on, I brought a bag. So I'm not gonna bring like a little bag in the carry-on. Now I'm just always gonna bring a really big item as my personal item, so I can fit more stuff, so I don't have to ever really check a bag. Unless I was like going international, then I would probably check a bag, but I don't really go international anymore. So I also wanted to show you guys this. I put this pillowcase on. I got this from Dollar Tree, and I brought it with me. I brought two. So it's like the satin pillowcase. I put it on, so I have my own pillowcase, which I talked about in my haul. On Friday, I'm going to my sister's house. I'm gonna take a short 1-hour plane ride to her house because she also lives in Florida, so that should be so fun. It's my second time going there, and I'm gonna be hanging out with them, and we're gonna do so much fun stuff. Go to the beach, we're gonna go trick-or-treating. It's gonna be a good time. I'm really excited. So I just kind of want to like get through tomorrow, like the work event, and then I'll feel like I can like breathe a sigh of relief. So I think now I'm probably just gonna eat, order food. I'm probably gonna edit, watch a show or something, and yeah, I'm just gonna chill. And then tomorrow I'm gonna try and go to Ross and hopefully TJ Maxx, and I want to go to the pool tomorrow, but then I have to start getting ready for the event. so do my hair and stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of vlog and chat and fill you guys in on my travel day and my hotel, because I thought this, since this hotel is so fun, that this would be fun to vlog. So that's really all for now, you guys, and I will see you tomorrow for sure, and I will give you guys a full tour of the hotel. Okay guys, so I'm lying in bed and I just did my skincare, and I realized I forgot to tell you guys this story from the plane today. I also am like really tired, but I was like, let me tell this story. By the way, I did get Chipotle for dinner. They forgot my guac and it was so freaking expensive. Again, it's like I'm expensing it to my job, but still, like, it was so expensive. I think the delivery fee was a lot, and also everything's just like really more expensive in Miami. And then they forgot the guac, so I was so sad. I did put guac like on the order, and this is the second time this has happened to me. I think it's something with Uber Eats where like they forget to add the guac after you click it. But anyways, on the plane today, I actually did my makeup today because I had like a afternoon plane. If it's the morning, I don't bother to do my makeup, but I did my makeup today so I would look like a normal human being. And then on the plane, I was reapplying my lipstick because I just wanted to reapply it. I don't know, I wanted to make sure it was still on. Also, like, I get self-conscious if I have like any white stuff on my lips, which is so gross, but like you always have to check. So I was like, let me just put on a little bit. So the flight attendant was passing by. He was a guy, and I look up as I was going like this with lipstick, and he was staring at me, and I just like smiled, and he was like, who are you meeting? And I was like, no one. And he's like, you're putting on makeup, applying lipstick. I was like, I'm just really particular with my lipstick. He's like, well, it looks great on you. And I was like, oh, thank you. And he was like, we see so many things on these flights you wouldn't believe. And I was like, oh, really? And he was like, yeah, we saw some guy, like some old man with like some young girl, and he's like, they were going to Barbados or somewhere. And he was like, and I was like, oh my gosh. I was like, that's not my thing. And I was like, then I forgot how the story went or the conversation, but I was like, he dropped me off at the airport, meaning Nick. And he goes, oh, he dropped you off. He goes, but what other guy is picking you up from the airport? And I was like, no one. Like, what the heck? It was so weird. Like, I didn't know applying lipstick made into such a crazy topic. I guess when people see you like putting on makeup, they think you're like preparing for someone. But I literally just said to him, I was like, I just love makeup, which is true. And also I like rarely have on makeup on a plane. So anyways, I just wanted to like tell you guys that story. Now I'm just editing, watching TikToks. I feel so much better, you guys. I felt really, like, honestly, before when I came, I felt like trashola. I felt nauseous because I had to eat, and also I had like a tension headache from just the day. So I took an aspirin and I feel so much better, and I know I'm gonna have a good night's sleep. So I'm just like chilling out. I'm just so grateful I feel better because I was like so nervous. I'm like, oh my gosh. Then I started panicking. I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't feel good. I'm telling you guys that my stream of consciousness of my anxiety in my head. I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't feel good. I'm not gonna be able to go to the event tomorrow. It's gonna be a disaster. Like, and I just keep like, it's so annoying. Do any of you guys like suffer with this as well, where you just like literally like spiral, your anxiety spirals out of control? And I think it's just like even worse when I'm like away, because I'm like, I don't feel like I'm in my like my home or whatever, so I feel like everything's kind of like out of my control a little bit more, so then it gets even more heightened. So just cannot stand being in my brain, like, honestly. But I feel a lot better now, thank God. And yeah, I just wanted to say goodnight, and I will see you guys either tomorrow or in my next vlog.